In life, people are often stronger when they work together. Whether it's in a family, a team, or a community, unity brings strength. But when there is constant fighting and no cooperation, even the strongest group can become weak. To understand the value of unity in a simple but powerful way, let's hear the story of a father and his 3 sons. Welcome to Easy English. Story: The Bundle of Sticks. Once upon a time, there lived an old man who had 3 sons. These sons were always fighting with each other. They shouted, argued, and never worked together. This made the father very sad. One day, the father became very sick. He knew he would not live much longer. He wanted to teach his sons an important lesson before he died. He called all 3 sons to come and sit beside him. Then he gave each one a stick and said, "Try to break this stick." Each son took the stick and broke it easily with one hand. The father then tied some sticks together into a small bundle and gave it to the first son. "Now try to break this bundle," he said. The first son tried hard but couldn't break it. The second and third sons also tried, but no one could break the bundle of sticks. The father smiled and said, "My sons, do you see what this means? One stick is easy to break. But when you are together, no one can harm you. If you continue to fight and stay apart, others will defeat you easily. But if you stand by each other, you will be strong, just like the bundle of sticks." The sons understood the lesson. They felt sorry for always fighting. From that day on, they promised to live in peace and help each other. Moral of the story: unity is strength. This story teaches us that unity is strength. When we fight and stay apart, it becomes easy for problems to break us. But when we stay united, care for each other, and work together, we become much stronger, just like the bundle of sticks that no one could break. Whether in a family, a group of friends, or a team, standing together with love and support can help us face any challenge in life.